Hello, makeup lover, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene, and I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different looks, mix and match with Pat McGrath Labs, I pulled out a lot of different palettes because I felt like doing a blue look, or like two blue looks. One where I incorporate some blues, and the second where I go all in when it comes to blue colors. So if you want to see how I did these two different looks, keep watching because I will show you. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, good ideas for future content, or you want to tell me if you pull out your blues to make looks or if it's your signature look, let me know in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get some blues on, shall we? I'm going to start out with a highlighting shade from the Subliminal palette, and I am going to place it here under my brow using the flat definer brush from Sonia G. Starting out gently, Ultimate Taupe with my Blender Pro, and the Ultimate Taupe is also from the Subliminal palette, and I'm just going to go back and forth here in my so-called transition area. Oh, I got a hair on my nose that was tickling me. Sorry for the noise. Okay, so I think we got it. Looking good. Using the color Depth from the same palette with my mini booster. And I'm just going back and forth here in the crease and blending it into the Ultimate Taupe. And of course, this is the first eye look that I am gonna do, so like it's more like a touch of blue, so it's not that powerful. Well, that's my plan anyway, but you never know where it takes me when I get started. There is a gorgeous nocturnal navy in the Celestial Nirvana holiday palette, and I dip my Builder Pro into that, and I'm putting that here, pressing that on my outer part of the mobile eyelid. And I only want it down here because it's going to be a little too much when I'm going for the old blue on the second look. So just placing it here. Just tapping. And as you might have noticed from the beginning, I prepared myself for some follow-up by putting some powder under my eyes so I can help myself. I'm going in with my Smith 256 into the Subliminal and the Astral White. And this is, of course, a magical special shade that will make this a little bit more blue and shimmery. Because you know what? Why not? So less discreet now. I'm going to give this look a black eyeliner, and I'm going to start by doing the horizontal line here, and then I'm going to take it into the middle. Dip my soft definer brush into Substance from Subliminal palette, and I'm just going to use that as an eyeliner under my eye, checking if I am bending my head down again like I usually do, so you miss out on a lot of what I'm doing. It's a horrible habit for you when watching, at least. As an inner corner highlight, I'm using the Lunar Lavender on my flat definer brush, and the Lunar Lavender is from the Celestial Nirvana palette. It's like lavender light blue. And here you see the first look with a little bit of black mascara on. I'm now gonna give it some false lashes. And here you see the first eye look with a false lash. The lash glue is not completely dry, so you can still see that. I'm now gonna go on to the second eye. I'm gonna use the Ultimate Taupe on my Blender Pro in my transition area, and I'm just tapping it on. And don't worry, this eye is gonna be very blue, but I don't want to put a dark blue here to begin with because I can't really make it light blue by blending it out. So I'm gonna start with this. And now for some nocturnal navy on my mini booster. And I'm just gonna put that here into my crease and go back and forth when I have like hit the crease, so to say. And then I'm gonna blend it out a little bit here and into the Ultimate Taupe. Gonna be careful because it is very pigmented, so I don't want to go totally crazy. And the reason for me to use the Ultimate Taupe before, you can see that it makes this blue color like less powerful when I'm blending it into that Ultimate Taupe. And now some Blitz Blue on my Builder Pro. I am just going to tap it on here on the outer part and really lay it down on my mobile eyelid. And this is a very powerful and beautiful shadow, as you can see here. The next shade I dipped into is the Celestial Cerulean, and that's from the Mega palette from 2024 holiday collection, the Luminous Legends palette. I'm gonna put that here in the middle and mix that into the Blitz Blue. Because I really want this to pop, I put on a little bit of the Artistry Wand base for the Astral White I am using with my Smith 256 for the inner part here. So it really stands out. I feel like I can use a little bit more blue here. So I literally dip the tip into the blue color from the Celestial Nirvana. Whoops, I want to be gentle here. I don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to be really careful and check what it looks like in the mirror when I relax my eye just a little bit here. Back into the Ultimate Taupe with the same brush, and I'm just gonna put that here on top of the blue to tone it down and tone it out a little bit. I mixed a little bit of the depth shadow and the Ultimate Taupe, and I'm gonna use that here under my eye. And I also put on an eyeliner on my waterline called Lust at Sea from Colourpop. I'm gonna experiment a little bit here because normally when I put on the Blitz Blue under my eye or I get it too close to the eye, my eyes just water up. Okay, so wish me luck because now is the time. I am just hoping that because I lay down the other colors first, my eyes will not go crazy when doing this. I am being careful. I put on some mascara, and I am going to use a Lunar Lavender as an inner corner highlight with my flat definer brush. And then I'm going to give this second look some eyelashes. And here you see the second eye look with some lashes on. Very blue, very powerful, loving it. I'm going to zoom you out so you can see what the two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. And here you see the two different looks. And now with some glasses on, I'm going to go through what I have on my face. As a foundation, I am wearing the Tirtir foundation in the color 21N Ivory. I bronzed out my face a little bit with a Nude Honey Bronzer from McGrath Labs. And as a blush, I am wearing Nymphette. On my lips, I am wearing the Divinal lipstick from McGrath Labs in the color Bel Amour. And I wanted to make this like a cool tone color for the blue going on the eyes. Now, these are not some looks that I wear on a daily basis, but I love making blue looks. I just don't wear them that often. I haven't really gotten a lot of occasions to just do it and wear it. I don't know why. It's silly, really. But anyway, these are two different ways you can use your blues if you're feeling blue and or the blue color. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, or you want to tell me if you wear blue on a daily basis, or if it's your go-to color when you're going out, then let me know in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. It'll be awesome to have you join. Now, I want to thank you so much for taking your time out of the day to watch this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.